Hi, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how to create a cheap, fun, pretty cute fall decoration, fall Halloween. I cannot take credit for the how-to part of this, and I'll leave the link in the description box of where I got this idea from. But I'm going to show it to you. Here first I got some of the pumpkins from Dollar Tree. They have the white, well, at the time I got mine, they had the white ones, the orange ones, and the black ones. And the white ones I really like because you can paint them. These are hollow, actually, so it's good for putting, you can put things in it, I suppose. But it's really good for sticking things through it, which you'll see in a few minutes. So on this part, I'm painting one of the white pumpkins, like a neutral color. See here, all I did was take a darker color and just blot some circles around it. This pumpkin, I painted this one a little bit darker color, and I'm putting some white circles on it, around it. For this part, I just taped two of the skewers, those long wooden skewers or wooden rods together. And then I just poked the little rods through the pumpkins and put them inside of, I placed one of the floral pieces of foam inside this planter, this pot. Placed the pumpkins on the wooden rods and just stuck that down into the floral foam. And then I just picked up these also from Dollar Tree, these little decorative little pumpkin parts here, and stuck those down into the floral foam, and I just pretty much just decorated around it at this point. this is the end result. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please like, share, and subscribe. Thank you.